Hello students, today we are going to see English workshop because we have finished the poem Somebody's Mother. Okay, now see here we will see question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but fifth question is there for you only, but I will explain here question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us see the question. Okay, now here the first question is given there. Pick out lines from the poem that help create images of the following in our mind and write them in the table. Table is given there. Okay, and you are watching your table is there: old woman, the street and school boys. Now they are expecting that you are going to write the lines that because of that line these characters can get a shape in your mind. Okay, now let us see the old woman. We will see first upon only old woman, then the street, then the school boys. Okay, so first upon let us see old woman. The first line is there: old woman was ragged, then bent with the chill of winter, her feet were trembling. Okay, these lines are given. Some more lines also there. Old woman, about that old woman, some more lines also. Who was afraid of trembling. So you may add more lines also, but 3 lines they are said. That's why here it is. Here these are 3 lines. Old woman was ragged. So these lines which explain the character. That's why explaining lines are selected. Now see the second one is there: the street. Okay, the streets were with the snow, streets were crowded, and horse carriage were trampling down. These lines which are explaining the street, okay, which are telling something about street. And for old woman also, these lines are telling something about woman. It means we can say once again that these lines are saying something about woman, street and school boys. Means you are going to pick out such lines which gives us information about woman, street, school boy. Now let us see the school boy. Were laughing like a flock of sheep. Okay, happy, gay, like this you may add this one, because there is a explanation is given in the poem. The all students were laughing and joking. They are coming like a flock of sheep, because these lines explains about the students or school boys. Okay, so now let us see the second question is there. Write at least 5 rhymes from the poem. In the first stanza, gray day, snow, slow. Then in the second stanza, long throng, then by eye. Then in the third stanza, shout out, ship deep, grey way. Then in the fourth stanza, her stir, fit street. And in the fifth stanza, troop group, low go. Then in the seventh stanza, arm harm. Then along strong, went content. And in the next stanza, see here, no slow, hand stand, grey way. Then in the last stanza, head said, boy joy. These are the rhymes. Okay, you got this and you are very clever student. You can find out yourself also. Now let us see the next question, that is think and write in 5-6 lines why most of the people road street ignore those in need of help. Okay, so here you will get this one. You are going to give this personal response. See here the personal response here: most people on a road or street ignore those in need of help because they are either cold hearted or they feel that another person may come forward to help. They may even try to cheat us if we try to help them. When I helped someone in need, I felt really proud of myself. It made me feel happy, content from inside. Okay, these are the personal response. This is the personal response for you. Now two reasons are demanded here. The first question is here. Then the woman was reluctant to cross the street by herself. Actually, reluctant means unwilling to cross. Okay, so she was old and weak, and she was afraid of being run over by horse carriages, trampled down. This was the reason. Now see the next question, that is the schoolboys were in a happy mood. They were let out from the school. It was freedom for a long busy day. Okay, that's why they are happy. Now third one of the schoolboy helped an old woman cross the road or cross the street. He felt it was a moral duty, and he also know that somebody, when his mother would need help, a stranger like him would help her in return. Means this is the human philosophy, and he was believer. Then last one, we must help those who are in need. Yes, we must help. What is the reason? Your heart feels happy and content. You never know when you would need help in return of life. Means if you do this activity, somebody will also do for you that activity. This thinking, that's why you must help people. Okay, in this way we saw these questions. You may write all these things in your fair book and send it for checking. We will see the next video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.